Disc golf. You may not have heard of it. I certainly hadn't. That wasn't until a few months ago when I was asked if I'd like to film a disc golf event here in the UK. Apparently disc golf is big in the US with tournaments and leagues, and is on the verge of breaking out here in the UK also. So let's see what all the hype is about. So let's get this stuff all packed up and let's go check it out.
Fuck off, man.